The 2024 BMW X3 is here, and it's better than ever. With refreshed styling, advanced tech, and exhilarating performance, the X3 remains a top choice in the compact luxury SUV segment. Join us as we explore everything that makes the 2024 X3 a standout. Let's talk design. The 2024 X3 takes BMW's signature look to the next level, with a bold kidney grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a sharper, sportier front bumper. The grille now comes with optional illumination for a modern, eye-hacking touch. After you land in one of the leading zones of the southern United States, the X3 keeps its athletic proportions with strong character lines and optional 20-inch wheels. At the rear, you'll notice updated LED taillights and a redesigned bumper that give it a fresh, clean finish. Now the interior. BMW has taken the X3's cabin to new heights for 2024, combining premium materials with cutting-edge technology. Front and center is the curved display that houses both a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. Powered by BMW's iDrive 8 system, it offers intuitive controls, voice recognition, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And check this out, gesture controls. With a simple wave of your hand, you can adjust the volume, skip tracks, and more. It's futuristic and fun to use. The interior is spacious and luxurious, with options like perforated Vernasca leather, ambient lighting, and heated and ventilated seats. The rear seats fold flat for extra cargo space, making the X3 both versatile and stylish. The 2024 X3 doesn't just look the part, it delivers on performance too. You've got 3 powertrain options to choose from. A 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 248 horsepower, a 3.7-liter turbocharged inline-6 with 382 horsepower in the M40. And for the thrill seekers, the X3M offers a jaw-dropping 503 horsepower. Plus, BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system and multiple drive modes, Eco, Comfort, and Sports hinge. The X3 is ready for anything, whether it's city streets or mountain trails. For those looking for greener options, BMW also offers a plug-in hybrid variant, blending efficiency with the X3's trademark performance. So what does all this luxury and performance cost? The 2024 BMW X3 starts at around $46,000 for the base S-Drive to $30,000, while the top-tier X3M can reach over $75,000. Each trim level offers a unique mix of features and performance, so there's an X3 for everyone. Safety is another area where the 2024 X3 shines. BMW includes advanced driver assistance features as standard, like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning. The optional Parking Assistant Plus makes tight spaces a breeze by automatically steering the X3 into parallel or perpendicular spots. And with the surround view camera, you'll have a clear view from every angle. With its refined design, advanced tech, and exciting performance, the 2024 X3 holds its own in a highly competitive segment, going head-to-head with rivals like the Audi Q5, Mercedes-Benz GLC, and Genesis GV70. So, is the 2024 BMW X3 the perfect luxury SUV for you? Whether you're after a sporty drive, a tech-filled cabin, or simply a stylish everyday vehicle, the X3 delivers it all. Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.